And here's something else that's worth noting. When was the last time the world showed so much interest in vaccine research? It's unparalleled what's happening right now. The press is giving a shot-by-shot account, as it were. Whoever makes the vaccine may end up making a world record too, because usually it takes years to develop a vaccine. Now we are aiming at months. Tonight, we'll take you to the front lines of this action, inside the laboratories that make and test these vaccines. This is a Gravitas special report.
Hey, how are you?
Good.
I'm Carolyn, I'm your nurse.
Okay, I'm Karen. I'm your patient.
Karen Juicer is one of the 30,000 Americans to get a shot of a potential Wuhan virus vaccine. This is the biggest test yet of this experimental vaccine. It is developed by America's National Institutes of Health and Moderna, a biotech company. Any work on the coronavirus vaccine happens inside a lab like this one. Scientists wrapped in protective gear working with samples of the Wuhan virus. Biosecurity is high inside such facilities. Never before has the hunt for a vaccine been so closely tracked by the world. Not only could it save lives, it could even pull the world out of the waves of lockdowns and social isolation. Melissa Harting from New York is another American to get a jab.
Yeah, a little feeling of pressure.
She has to give her blood samples too. In the coming days, scientists will study if the vaccine can generate an immune response against the Wuhan virus. The vaccine candidate has to work on a large number of people before it can be declared effective.
Hey, Carolyn.
Once we introduce this into a large group of people, we can truly see the efficacy of the vaccine as well as the safety of the vaccine. And once we get past this trial, we can move into the general public and actually mass producing and having this given to the population.
The United States is not the only country doing large-scale testing. South Africa and Brazil are two other countries that are witnessing large-scale efficiency trials. This is the third stage of a vaccine trial. Here, thousands of people are given a shot, so that scientists can learn more about the safety of the vaccine as well as the correct dosage. In Sao Paulo, Dr. Monica Levy volunteered for the shot. She is a participant in a trial to test the vaccine developed at the Oxford University, which is one of the most promising vaccine candidates in the world right now. Dr. Levy developed some minor side effects after she was administered the dose.
After getting the COVID-19 vaccine, I got a headache for a day and half more or less. Sometimes a bit of a non-specific malaise, a bit of chill. I didn't have a fever, but I was taking a high dose of Tylenol, which is a gram every 6 hours. And I think it kept me from having a fever.
This is what the scientists are hoping to avoid with the final version of a vaccine. While several candidates are being tested around the world right now, experts do not expect a vaccine to arrive before early 2021. Bureau Report, WION World is One.